Make cinnamon with dish soap, and you'll never have this problem again. That's right, everyone. This tip helped me a lot here at home, and I'm sure it's also going to help you too. So first, let's take 3 cinnamon sticks. Okay, it's pretty easy to find them. And now let's put them in a pot once that's done. Now let's add 1 cup of water. Now turn on the heat and wait until the water boils, and it starts to change. Color and checked as well, folks. The water has already changed color. So now we can turn off the heat and let's wait a little bit for it to cool down. Once that's done, let's get a spray bottle. Take the water, which has already cooled down, and let's go ahead and transfer everything into the spray bottle. Next, we're going to need the dish soap. Here, I'm using this yellow one, but feel free to use whatever brand you prefer. So now let's add just 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Here goes 1 and 2. Now, we're also going to add the juice of half a lime. Go ahead and squeeze it right into the spray bottle. And to finish, let's also add 5 ounces of disinfectant. Then just close the bottle and our product is ready to use. But now, folks, if you ask me, what did we just do here? This is an excellent product for scaring away all kinds of insects in your house, like ants, spiders, cockroaches, all of them. So you can apply it around the house if you have trouble with roaches. For instance, this product will surely help you with that. And above all, it can also help if your pet is doing its needs in places it shouldn't. In that case, just supply it where you don't want them to do it. Especially pee. You can apply at a table or chair leg on your sofa or couch, or maybe the wheel of your car. You can apply it, and at places you don't want your pet to pee, and if you don't have any pets, but if you do have a problem with the neighbor's pet, you can also apply it to your door. All right, everyone. So this is a great product that I'm sure it's going to make a huge difference in your home